I'm Dr. Gethin, sports medicine physician and team doctor for KAGED Muscle, here today to talk to you about the bench press. So we're going to talk about which muscle groups are activated and show you the appropriate form. Before we get going too far though, we need to talk about one of the goals of the bench press. So are you a power lifter? Are you a bodybuilder? Are you someone who just wants to get stronger? All those things matter when you're determining what your form is going to look like when you're on the bench, because there are some tips and tricks that you can do and add to the form of your bench press that are going to increase your max, but aren't necessarily going to make you bigger or stronger or look any different. They're just going to help you move weight. So today we're just going to talk about the basics. The muscle groups that are mainly involved with the bench press is the pectoralis major, or the chest muscles. You're also going to include the anterior deltoid, and in some ways the lateral deltoid and the posterior deltoid, as well as some of your back muscles, because you're going to use those to stabilize, and your lats actually help to bring your elbows closer together, that internal rotation of the humerus. So on your press, you're actually going to use some of your lats as well. All right, so pecs, delts, those are the main ones. Those are the ones we're going to talk about. We're going to bring our model in to show and demonstrate this. And as he comes into the bench, he's going to set straight on the bench, make sure that his hips are even, feet are planted. He's going to lay back onto the bench. He's going to place his hands about shoulder width apart. He's going to have a closed grip on the bar. He's going to make sure that his shoulder blades or his scapula are kind of squeezing tight together and that everything feels tight in his core. Go ahead and lift the weight up off the rack, Nate. And then on his press, he's going to come down to his chest, just below his nipples, and then press up. And as he does that, he's going to take a big breath in on the way down and then exhale on the way out. Excellent. Go ahead and re-rack it. Nice job. So he did that really well. And again, the tempo, the momentum that you create or that you don't create, the kinetic energy that you either include or exclude, depends on whether or not your goal is to get bigger, get stronger, or just move more weight. So again, just real basics of a bench press. The muscle groups are the pectoralis major, the deltoids, those are the main ones, stabilizers with the posterior chamber on the back, your traps, your lats, your rear deltoids, and again, a great exercise to develop those muscles, bench press, KAGED Muscle.